Good morning, everyone. So here's a quick market update. So we have a number this morning, 20 or 25%. That's the number that President Donald Trump has highlighted of putting tariffs on India, where he says that he may put 20 to 25% tariff on India while the deal is through and it is not yet final. But that's the number that he may be working with while we are waiting for the fine print. But it is that bit better than that 26%, but a very marginal gap in that particular number. But other than that, if we talk about the US markets, how they have been doing and what are the global cues that we are getting to understand. Firstly, from the US market, it was a bit of a decline on all the benchmark indices because Dow Jones did decline over 200 points. S&P 500 was also seen to be declining almost 0.3% after 6 consecutive sessions of gains, and even Nasdaq took a bit of a U-turn, and the markets are indeed waiting out for the FOMC meet outcome and the commentary thereon, while digesting some of the earnings as well, because just yesterday we had some of the earnings from the pharma majors. But in some of the other macro news, it is IMF that has not just flagged the global risk because of US tariff policy, but has gone ahead and raised the GDP forecast of the global economy to 3% for 2025. Other than that, the markets are also waiting by for some of the big earnings, be it from Apple, Microsoft, Meta as well. And along with that, the European markets, when we have a look at that, they majorly ended in the green. But the big moves this morning is what we are getting to see is actually on the oil front, because oil has seen a surge of 3.5% overnight, trading near to that $72 per barrel mark, and that's been held steady. And it's that actually is the biggest gain in the 6 weeks after US President Donald Trump reiterated that he may impose additional economic penalties on Russia unless a truce is reached with Ukraine. Gold is not doing much as of now, while dollar index is trading absolutely flat at those 98.5 levels, and GIFT Nifty is indicating a very, very mild and a flat start for us.